Hi guys, for today's video I'm going to show you the laptop that I picked from the Verge. It's Asus. So it's a small laptop. I think this is 13 inches. It's on the back side. .642 and it's got the Windows 7 sticker on. It's got the battery. I think there is also RAM. It looks like there is no hard drive on this one because the screws here are missing. Wait to open this up. Yeah, I'm right. There is no hard drive on this one. Oh, but we will check if this is still okay. Yeah, so it's Windows 7. It looks alright. Looks still pretty good, but we will see. Turn it on. It's powering up. So there's no boot device. Of course there is no hard drive on this one, so I turn it off and turn it on, and then I will press F2 to get into the system. Hopefully we can see the specs. I think I'm too late on that one. I'll do another one more time. So F2. Yep, I got into the specs. It says AMD 140 processor, 2.3 gigahertz. It's got 4 gigabytes of RAM installed. Yeah, it's flickering. I don't know. It's my video that's flickering, not the computer screen. Yeah. I think this AMD V140 processor is a single core, single thread processor, which is very cheap one. Might be slow as well. Yeah, but I think this is still usable. If we install hard drive and OS on this one, I think this one can still be used for very minimal use, like maybe surfing the internet or something. But this of course can't do obviously heavy tasks because of a very weak processor on this one. So yeah, alright guys, this is one of the things, the items that people are just throwing away in the rubbish, which I think is not good because this will just go into the landfill whenever the waste collector guys pick this up. They just crush them and dump into the landfill. So there is no segregation happening on this one. They are not sorting this. All the rubbish that are put outside the property during the waste collection are just being crushed and then dumped into the dump site. So it's sad that you can find items like this, which I think can still be recycled or upcycled and can put in some use. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos, as we are going to make more videos and more of these things like this in the coming days or in the future. Thanks, bye.